Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming versions and backups. This prevents surprises later. Open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac, then tap Safari to view version-relevant options. Once done, sign into iCloud so bookmarks and tabs sync. Make sure to export any critical links if you prefer a local copy. You need your Apple ID and passcode nearby because some changes require authentication. This preparation saves time and ensures you can safely reset or clear data without losing important information. You now isolate the cause by disabling common redirect sources. On Mac, go to Preferences websites and turn off JavaScript for the suspect site. On iPhone, toggle JavaScript in Safari settings. Next, disable all Safari extensions and content blockers because a rogue extension often injects redirects. Clear website data and history to remove persistent cookies and local storage that may trigger redirects. After each change, reopen the problematic site to check if the redirect persists. This step-by-step elimination finds the offender. You finish by restoring needed features selectively and applying fixes permanently. Update Safari and your OS to patch known vulnerabilities, then re-enable JavaScript only for trusted sites. Reinstall extensions one at a time, testing after each install so you catch the problematic add-on. If redirects continue, run a malware scan and change passwords for email and accounts accessed on the device. As a troubleshooting tip, create a new user profile or use safe mode to confirm whether the issue is system-wide or user.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.